This car hasn't been on the road in like 10 years. Oh, listen to that. Fires right up. Brake pedals rock hard. Brakes work. Oh, we're already bottomed out. Too low. I think it's the exhaust probably, huh?
Hope for the best.
Forgot I got no power steering.
Go for a quick rip?
Yeah, try. If I can get the fucking wheels back.
Moving forward it'll be a lot easier.
First time I've ever driven this sumbitch. Woo! Yeah, this car hasn't been on the road in like 10 years. At least. Ride's so soft.
Oh,
Not everyone catch the flip right here. Good?
Yeah.
What a good feeling. I never knew this thing was going to see the light of day. Big girl.
Huh?
Decent. Front tires are shit because they're burners, but
Listen to that thing whine.
I'm pissed off. Drives good though.
Is that the supercharger whine in the back?
Yeah, I got a supercharger back here. A lot easier to drive with power steering now. Heck yeah. Well, I'm gonna grab my wallet.
I'll grab the bumper too, and
How are we gonna?
I'll hold it. I don't give a fuck.
Kind of sketchy.
Keep it under 100.
All right. I'm gonna grab my shirt. So we made it to the shop, about 7 miles. Kevin held on to the thing the whole way. We didn't lose any parts, pieces, didn't get pulled over for having no tag or for having a bumper just hanging, or no front fender, or no front bumper, or bald ass tires that were used as burners. Either way, we made it. Now it's time to give her some paint and body work, love.